Oh, we on for the tube one time, you know what I'm saying? Ye Session Freestyle version 3, you know what I'm saying? Gonna put the beat on. Y'all niggas know what's up, you know what I'm saying? Out here getting fucked up. Don't give a motherfuck, nigga. Cause I'm gone in. Nigga, what you say, let the gone in. I'm gone in and I'm gone off. Draped up and draped off. I'm tipped in like tips off. Bitch in the back, let me tip a bra. I get in the stripper saw. Drop to the bitch like a seesaw. Key for, fire to the shore. Nigga, I'm ride too far. Nigga, I'm ride too hard. Nigga, what you say? You don't really wanna get that noise. The niggas wanna talk that boy. You don't wanna get it in the voice. The feeling the boy off in the field. Off in the head of me off and get him that nigga off. And I gotta go get him and kill. Back to the shit, nigga so ass, imagine this bitch. Imagine the flow, nigga, imagine this shit. Two switch off and I grabbing your bitch. Let me take her off and I know she like me. Like me, bitch, don't have no problem. And we can go and get it, I'ma be the problem solver. I'm off up in it, gone, head's gone, is a monster. These niggas waiting for it, I be in it, finna crunch them. These boys be offing me, you etching on, you bout to see, you bout to catch it, prophecy. Legendary, high as he, high as me. Nigga, I'm too high out of this atmosphere. Nigga, my wordplay too gone. Nigga, you don't say shit when I'm rather here. Nigga, you rather here. Nigga, better crack a beer and let them chill some. I'm up in the back, we roll it up and let me feel something. And if I talk to her, yeah, she let me feel something. Poke her straight up in the thigh. She know she like it real something. You don't like it if she wanna say it. Boy, be playing off. Mouth be so good, adjusting flows that they say is off. And what you ever say he's off, suggest that he ever on. MC in my head, yeah, you know that boy is gone. Beat just really came on. I'm just up in my mood. Now I'm finna get it off and boys grabbing they tools. And then this never stop, it's hard to be. Niggas off up in it, I grab it off, that nigga had a G. I be off up in it, I grab him in and pull his imaginary. Hey, he's imaginary, so I never take him scary. I never take him now, them niggas faking now. I take it off and taste the edge and cut it, scrape it up. Off the rhymes and if the rims was on, that nigga take it up. But I don't do that, ride in the hoodoo slab. And I pull up at your bitch house and I grab up on her ass. Nigga, I'ma act her ass. I know she really want it, and she could hop up on it. I let her take it down, let her just ride upon it. I know she like the feeling, killer ill he ever zone it. Niggas every looking, show me I ain't fucking upon it. I be ready to kill him, I spit on whichever zone. Niggas off up in my mind zone, that niggas ever on. I could take him off, he's gone, scrape his head and off he's long. Now you calling me a doctor, open up your chest like a fucking heart doctor. Nigga, you ever just see that the boy be off up in it, that spinning zone? Nigga, I'm in the zone, my trainer zone. Never had a sweat check in the zone. Sit in my groove, nigga, high I'm on. Nigga, you say it's me, wave up at it. Welcome to the palace. Nigga, you holla at young majesty, that killer the G. Nigga, that is so real. K to the I to the double L, A to the G to the R to the I to the M to the L to the E to the A to the P to the E-R. Grim Reaper that ever the star. Nigga, you know that it's jaw. Rip it and vivid, whichever you see. Whichever I tell him I'm never a star. I'm just an underground spitter, catch me on too. Niggas ready to get it, I show them off this beat that rhyme too. How long can he flow? They don't know, so let it rhyme through. We can take it off a battle to the ends, they dying fool. I be out here is a tragedy. These niggas asking me how these boys be praising, I don't know, they call me majesty. Nigga, what you have a G? Classy, I don't ask them see. I don't tell your bitch to do it, she just do it all for ye. Take her off to the land, a ye boy in the van, your bitch driving in a sedan. I tell her bring it on again. Hey, it's that head spinner, head tied of yellow lava, go harder, go ride, I go harder, strive for it, niggas stay on the road, niggas on the head, I'm stay to the go. I'ma go ahead, get straight to the fold. Them niggas be talking, I never just hold, pistol up on me, never reload. But still it ever see. The boys be pausing off the beat to stop. That boy a drastic see. Hazard me. Nigga put the signs up. A caution ye. Nigga what you say? A caution ye. Nigga you caution me. Nigga you ain't never see. Words spinning off the end. How he do it again. That boy a kill when he off his trend. Hold up nigga.